Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mix Lotion. We'll start by understanding the fundamental components that create a stable and nourishing cream. You'll learn about the crucial role of emulsifiers, which expertly blend oil and water, preventing separation. We'll also cover essential preservatives to ensure your creation remains fresh and safe for use, along with beneficial additives for enhanced skincare. This foundational knowledge is key to successful lotion making. To begin your lotion-making journey, you'll need a few key items. First, gather your distilled water, chosen carrier oils like jojoba or almond, and a reliable emulsifier such as Polawax or emulsifying wax NF. Don't forget a broad-spectrum preservative to keep your lotion safe. Essential tools include a precise digital scale, heat-resistant beakers, and an immersion blender for thorough mixing. Always sanitize everything meticulously before starting. Now, let's get to mixing. Begin by heating your water and oil phases in separate containers to approximately 70 degrees Celsius. Once both are at temperature, slowly pour the oil phase into the water phase while continuously blending with your immersion blender. Continue blending until the mixture starts to thicken. Once the temperature drops below 40 degrees Celsius, incorporate your preservative and any delicate additives, blending until smooth and creamy. Personalizing your lotion is the fun part. Once your lotion has cooled, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oils for a delightful scent, or incorporate beneficial active ingredients like vitamin E or botanical extracts. Remember to store your finished product in clean, airtight containers, ideally opaque ones, to protect it from light. With proper preservation and storage, your homemade lotion can remain fresh and effective for several months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.